It's easy to start monitoring your partner's calls and text messages from your own device, meaning from your own smartphone, using an inbuilt network system and a simple setup. Most people think it requires expensive software, hacking tools, or advanced technique skills, but that's not true. In this video, I will show you the two most possible method you can actually use to achieve this. First is the manual setup method that many people overlook, and the second is a simple shortcode that can activate and manage all features within seconds. Here is the most interesting part. Yes, on monitoring your partner's calls and text messages. You can actually receive these calls landing on your phone. For every call that's made to that particular individual's phone, you will receive that call on your device. Yes, you'll be the one receiving the call, reading the text messages, whatever text message that was sent to that person. You activated the monitoring feature on their phone to your own device. You will start reading their text messages for free without no subscription. This is very easy to do. The only thing you just need to do, just stick around till the end of this video and you will learn the two methods I'm about to introduce. It's very easy. Now, the reason why you need to subscribe to this channel is that my next video will be after activating this method, this feature, how to unactivate it. Because in the tech area, I need to learn how to do and undo at the same time. So you just need to subscribe and wait for the next tutorial, get set for it on how to undo this feature if you want to undo it in any possible means. Now, before getting started, let me just give you a tip of one of my videos I want you to go and watch on how to spy on another person's WhatsApp messages. The video is ready, it's down here. Just go there and check for it and watch the full tutorial and enjoy it. It's free. Yes. Now, let's get started. I'm using an Android phone for this practical. You can use whatever device you own. Yes. Now, tap on calls and select setting. Go to your SIM card setting. This is my SIM card setting and select carrier feature. Yes. Now, focus on the practical first. This is the most important part you need to master because there are a lot of tutorials teaching the same thing, but the problem is that they are not explaining the step-by-step process on how to go about this so that you can get a result you expected. Yes, now just rest assured, this is the channel you need to be. Now, select carrier feature. Now, let me just explain something. This particular procedure, you need to do it, you need to activate it on the individual's phone, not on your own phone, on the individual's phone. The person you want to start monitoring their calls, not WhatsApp calls, normal calls and text messages. You need to activate this particular practical we are working on their own phone. Yes. Wait. Now, select the SIM they are using, the type of SIM they are using. Just select their network and go further. Now, let's just select this network and tap on call forwarding. Select call forwarding. Just wait, it's reading. Now tap on always forward. Select always forward and enter your own number. Yes, meaning your own number. You, the person that want to start receiving these messages and calls. You need to select your own number. Yes, you need to input your number here on that person's phone. I hope you all understand this particular area. This particular practical, you need to do it on the individual's phone, or not on your own phone. You, the person that want to receive the messages, not on your own phone. The only thing you need to do is you need to input the number, your own number you want to start receiving this person's calls and text messages. Just input it here. Let's just use this as an example. Now, select turn on. You can also tap on this profile if the number is already saved on their phone. Yes, you can do it. Now, just tap on turn on. As you can see, call always forward. Foreign calls to the particular number I just entered. That's supposed to be your own number. Yes, as soon as you complete this step, just know that that person's calls and text messages is all yours. Yes, you control them, receive them, reply to all messages as you want. It's very easy. Now let's go to the shortest way on how to activate this. My next video is on how to undo this particular method. Now let's go. Tap on your call again and go to your dial pad and dial *21* and enter your phone number. You, the person that wants to start receiving these calls, just enter your own phone number. Now let's just use this same number as an example: 31417050, and tap on hash and send the call to the particular SIM you want to start receiving the calls. Yes, to this number you just entered. Now just tap on that particular SIM. Now, as you can see, call forwarding register was successfully. You are done. This is the shortest method on how to do this particular call forwarding thing on your phone, on your device. You can do it on any device. It's either be Android, iPhone, or any device so far that can actually make a call that has a SIM card. If you cannot do the manual process, you just need to what use the shortest method I just introduced. Yes, here we educate. Yes, we spread the knowledge. So it's left with you to decide if to stay or not. So please subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.